Comparative purity of TrypanBlue solutions, impurity profiles, and their clinical implications. What were the reasons for the study? Well, concerns have been raised about the potential toxicity of 0.4% TrypanBlue solution. It's higher than standard concentration of 0.06%. Research into this matter has, however, revealed that concentration is not the concern. The fundamental issue is the level of impurities present, specifically monoazo compounds. There were some historical concerns. Two non-clinical studies from 1977 and 1982 with intravenous administration of impure TrypanBlue at doses approximately 40,000 times higher than those used in ophthalmic surgery. All subsequent investigations have consistently identified diazo and monoazo impurities, not the TrypanBlue molecule, as the causative agents of toxicity. Importantly, no genotoxic effects have been reported in human clinical studies or case reports involving either pure or impure TrypanBlue. This study used high-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC, to assess peak purity and relative assay. 5 ophthalmic solutions were analyzed: CAPSULBlue, VisionBlue, MembraneBlue, AJLBlue, and AuroBlue. All analyses were conducted independently by a company called Eurofins EAG Materials Sciences. What was actually measured? Figure 1 represents the HPLC chromatograms of TrypanBlue and related impurities for the 5 ophthalmic solutions analyzed. The chromatographic profiles and impurity patterns are consistent with those reported by Srinivasan in his paper. HPLC chromatograms for TrypanBlue solutions for the impurities identified: A. CAPSULBlue, B. VisionBlue, C. MembraneBlue, D. AJLBlue, and E. AuroBlue. What were the TrypanBlue concentrations? CAPSULBlue had the highest concentration of TrypanBlue at 0.4%. With smaller aqueous volume, the delivered TrypanBlue dose, 0.6 mg, is within the range of other products tested. MembraneBlue delivered the largest TrypanBlue dose of 0.73 mg. Let's have a look now at Table 1. Impurity levels varied markedly across the tested products, as we can see here. CAPSULBlue, VisionBlue, and MembraneBlue had high relative assets and low impurities. Or AJBlue and AuroBlue had assays below 90% and much greater impurities. Why does it matter? Well, that's because of TASS, toxic anterior segment syndrome. High purity TrypanBlues do not cause TASS in 9 million uses. Lower purity TrypanBlue did, as in 3 published case series. 2 reports identified low quality device grade TrypanBlue preparations with substantial impurity burdens, including monoazo species. A third described contaminated material prepared by a compounding pharmacy. These findings are consistent with analytical data. Impurities not TrypanBlue correlate with toxicity. What about the source of the TrypanBlue? Commercial TrypanBlue is labeled not for human use. CAPSULBlue, VisionBlue, and MembraneBlue, active ingredient, designed, synthesized, tested, and certified as suitable for human use. Other brands and compounding pharmacies are not sourcing medical-grade products. Are high concentrations safe? Well, what about TrypanBlue at 0.6 mg in a 0.4% concentration? 2 clinical studies with greater than 240 eyes support its safety and efficacy. MembraneBlue with higher doses of TrypanBlue, 0.73 mg, has an excellent safety record in vitreoretinal surgery, where the sensitivity to toxicity is heightened. Further studies of 46 eyes with 1% TrypanBlue used in cataract surgery confirm the safety and utility of higher concentration. In conclusion, the level of impurities is the primary cause of toxicity with TrypanBlue ophthalmic solutions, not the TrypanBlue itself, nor its concentration. CAPSULBlue, 0.6 mg and 0.4%, and VisionBlue, 0.3 mg and 0.06%, offer superior purity and proven clinical outcomes without TASS. This underscores their value over less pure products in enhancing safety and outcomes in cataract surgery.